Hello, this is my presentation and I develop a personal organizer. I decided to develop a personal organizer because I want to develop this kind of app in a new way, because usually when we have a personal organizer we want to put tasks. We don't have many options. Sometimes we couldn't remember exactly what the task is about. Um, so in this case, I decided to develop a personal organizer where we can insert not just text, but also we can insert a video, a picture, or an audio file. I mean, we can record an audio file, and this is the user's case. For example, the user can log in or can register a new account. Also, he can create a to-do list, and his to-do list can have the title and also can have the text. So we have a description, what the task is about, and it's really helpful to have some, for example, a picture. For example, we need to take a picture of a document to remember what the task is about, or maybe we need the video. Also, we can have the video. For example, someone show us a monitor where there is maybe some data they can change. We need to take a short video to remember something. um, and with this app we can do that. Also, we can register an audio file, because we can register our voice or someone else if we need something to remember. This was the wireframe I created before I realized the mobile app. And yeah, the app in the hand is not like this, but this was how I started to think about the app I wanted to create. And I was thinking to have, for example, the weather app. In the hand, I had only the temperature, because was more useful to have just the temperature of the place where I'm, for example, in Copenhagen, and giving me the temperature of Copenhagen. If you go another city, will give me the temperature of another city. For the to-do list, in the beginning was thinking about to have like a list of tasks, and later to take video and picture and save the video and pictures, the videos and the pictures in another part. But when I developed the app, I decided to have one video, one picture, and one audio um, connected with the task. So inside the task, when we go to create the task, we have this media files. Also, we can go in to delete or record another, for example, another audio. I decided to use Laravel framework framework, MVC for the backend, because um, it helps a lot with fast development, and I can organize really well the the web application in general, because in this case, yes, it's a mobile app, it's a backend of a mobile app, but in general, with Laravel, we can create any kind of web application, and help a lot to develop really quick, and we can keep the code really well organized, and because we have the MVC pattern, and yes, we can find with composer libraries any kind of things we can help us. Also, the community is really huge, so when we can have a problem, we can find almost everything in online, and if you want to learn more, we can find many video tutorials online. For example, Laracast is one of the most important, because it's the official one, and also many books. Also, Laravel um, is um, is my favorite backend in this moment. I tried to use also ASP.NET in the past, but took me more time to develop something with ASP.NET. Solaro was used because um, for me it's the best I can use. And in this case, I use it for the front end Kotlin, because I decided to try to use a native language instead to use, for example, React Native. I wanted to use Flutter with Firebase before, but I was attracted about Firebase, but I didn't like so much to use Flutter, because when I had some problem to find online some for example solutions, um, it was not the same as React, so I said if in this case I can use React Native instead than Flutter. So instead of use Firebase, I can use Laravel. But let's try the Kotlin, because I think I wanted to do this experience, because in the previous project I was talking about the performance of React Native, and Kotlin can give us a better performance than React Native. Um, Also, Kotlin is replacing slowly Java, because Java before was the only native language for Android, and now with Kotlin we can do the same things we can do with Java, but it's faster, it's easier to use in compare with Java. So this was my choice for this project, and I can say Laravel is hosted in online in web hosting, and of course there are some APIs from Kotlin to call the backend, and the mobile app need internet to work, and also sometimes can be not so fast because the the backend is online, and the mobile app, the Kotlin part, the front end is on just on the mobile phone. But I think we can improve a bit the performance using a better web hosting for Laravel. I used the cheap one just um, to try this project, to finish this project. But I think yes, we need a little bit better performance on the backend. And this was my project. And thank you so much.